Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my little kitchen, and I feel like cooking today, so I just thought I would just cook some hash browns, and I haven't done anything on YouTube for a very long time. So here's my new new video about cooking some hash brown potatoes, and hope you like it. Here we go. I'm about to make some hash browns, so I thought I'd just make a little movie out of this. I haven't made a video for YouTube for a long time, so these are just plain old russet potatoes. Cutting them up here. And over here I put some in the pan already with some olive oil in the bottom and some, you can't see it in there, but there's some garlic powder down in there. And over here, I'm going to add this in a little bit. I'm going to add this to some chopped up peppers in different colors, yellow and orange, and some green onions because I like them. And so you'll be able to see it all cook up in a few minutes. Yum. Sorry you're not here to have some, but Brownie doesn't even get any of this. Brownie is my dog, for those of you who do not know. So, I better get cooking. Okay, the potatoes are all chopped up now, and they're in the pan, and the pan is on the stove, and the this burner is set at, like, let's say medium high with an edge towards medium. And I want to get this going really quick. And when it starts to get too hot inside the pan, I'm going to add just a little specky bit of water, like a few tablespoons of water, whenever the pan needs it. And I'm not putting a lid on here at this point in time. I'm just having the stove nice and hot, medium hot, like I said. And just to kind of get these potatoes about halfway cooked, and after they're about halfway cooked, then I will add the peppers and the green onions. So I guess I better watch what I'm doing and not turn on Netflix right now, because then I'll forget I'm cooking potatoes. So I'm going to get started, and I'll be back with you later. Okay, do you hear that little crackling noise there coming from the pan? When it gets like that, that's when you add a little water. Just a splash, like this, just a splash. Just a little splash. There you go, like that. And then you turn it over again. You turn everything over a little bit. Okay, if you have a sharp eye, you will notice that I added a few things that I'm going to stir in any minute. I added some rosemary, and I added some pepper, and I added a little bit more garlic powder, and a couple more splashes of water. So now I'm going to just turn everything over again with my spatula. Of course, with this pan, you have to use a rubber spatula. And so I'm going to do that. It's starting to smell really good. Sometimes I put sweet onions in here too, which makes it smell even better. But right now I'm kind of off sweet onions, not because I don't like them, but because too many of them upset my digestive tract. And I just have to wait a few days until I have more wonderful, delicious sweet onions. Okay, these are just about ready to put on a plate and enjoy. And you can put whatever kind of sauce you would like on here, some fancy steak sauce or whatever, or eat them plain. I'm sort of a purist. I like to put just plain old ketchup on them. And when my daughter was a little girl, she could not pronounce ketchup. But on the television at that time, there was a commercial about ketchup. Excuse me. There was a commercial on television about ketchup, and there was a song in the background about how this ketchup was very slow to come out of the bottle, and so the Carly Simon song about anticipation was keeping her waiting for the ketchup to come out of the bottle. And my daughter thought that ketchup was called yay. So for many years in our household, ketchup was yay. So to end this story really nicely, when I put this on my plate, I'm going to add some yay and I'm going to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, and if you got anything out of it at all, please click the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and hit the little bell to be notified when I make another video. Thank you so much for watching today, and it was fun having you with me in my kitchen. I enjoyed talking to you when I cook. Bye for now.